So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make or use your leftover sweet potato to make sweet potato fried balls, and they're going to be full of flavour. We're going to put a little bit of garlic in it, a little bit of parsley and a little bit of smoked paprika. We're going to combine that together. We're going to make this really nice snack, healthy. It's full of sweet potato and it's got some amazing flavours. So let's cook. Potato, and this is just puree sweet potato. I've just popped it in the air fryer and cooked it and then mashed it up. You're going to need a little bit of olive oil. You're going to need a touch of salt and a touch of pepper. There we are. So now we're going to get into the spices. So the next spice you need is some smoked paprika or sweet paprika, it's up to you. You just want a little bit in there. Don't forget the recipe will be in the link below. We want a little bit of parsley, dried. You can use fresh, it's completely up to you. And we also, to balance that out, we want a little bit of garlic as well. So we've got garlic granules. So I'm just going to put a bit of that in. There we are. We're going to mix that up. Just make sure you give it a really good mix so that flavour gets in there. And you can see them herbs through it. The garlic granules, you can smell it. The smoked paprika. We're just going to get a little bit of flour in there as well, just so that it doesn't stick. And we're just going to knead it a little bit. You can see it's, you know, it's all the sweet potatoes coming away from the bowl. So you've got your sweet potato on the board. You want to put a little bit of flour down as well. And we're just going to roll it into a sausage shape. Then you're going to need a knife. Just going to cut a little bit off. We're going to make that into a ball. So you need a decent portion size. Just make it into a nice round ball. There we are. So you've got one. Bit more flour. Make sure you've got flour. Not too much, just enough so you can roll it into a nice ball. So you want to put a little bit of oil on your hand and then just reshape them. Make sure they're right. Just a tiny weeny bit. Just give them a good roll. Gives them that smooth look, shiny look. Just a bit more. There we are. So it gives it a nice shape. We're going to deep fry these. So we're going to roll them and then just pop them in the oil. Again, roll them, pop them in the oil. You don't need to put a lot in, just a few at a time. I'd say 4 or 5, so it doesn't take the temperature down. Just move them around a little bit so they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. There we are, they'll just deep fry. Straight onto a tea towel because it soaks up more of the oil. So just going to pop these lovely sweet potato balls onto a tea towel. Let the oil get up to temperature for a second and we'll pop the rest back in. These healthy sweet potato balls, they're good as a snack or with a main meal, and they're also full of flavour. They taste amazing, they're soft and squishy. Beautiful. Try them today. Link in bio. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.